This is a tribute to those treated unfairly on this place we call Earth. In search for my words to paint a perfect picture that'll fit on the canvas of sorrow, pain, fear, and regret, all thrown together to make a figure such as a human that's laid to rest in the back of a hearse, another loved one lost. This is a tribute. This is a tribute to every race that has ever been vindicated, being locked up with no fault by the gavel of the jurisdiction, pointed in the direction of hatred by being thus to follow. This is a tribute to all of the parents who ever had to bury a child. It's a tough pill to swallow and nerve-wracking, like auditions at the Apollo, in front of thousands, hearing every voice but your own, but the beat continues to play. This beat continues to play as I'm trapped in my own mind, trying to figure out every mishap that occurred in this timeline called life. Trying to grasp the concept of a lost life, like I'm down in the fight, but it's only the second round, but the fight starts to dig deeper when you're in battle with yourself. Sometimes you have to think back and put yourself in the position of the fallen victim and relive the reality of the loss and just think and say, I am Trayvon Martin. Will Skittles and tea be the death of me? Mike Brown with the theft of Swisher Sweet, slain by police with the use of 6 shots, may he rest in peace. I am Eric Gardner, yelling out I can't breathe, convulsion to my lungs, blacked out like NYC in the mid-60s. I am Freddie Gray, getting constantly beat by this justice system, political refugees taking back shots to the lifeline on my spine. When will justice be mine? I feel safe nowhere in this Republican life cycle. I may sound like a critic, but the lies being told stretches out further than a 22 long rifle. It's a crying shame. When will these killers stop being posed as fame? I came here to represent the 9 victims whose life was interrupted by the Confederacy. May the doors of the church be open unto you. If they only knew that Satan was sitting right there with them in the pews. He sat there for 60 minutes, bowed his head and prayed with them before he let loose. This right here is a tribute. This is a tribute to all of the fallen victims that lost their lives in the eyes of government policy. It's an unfair game that tends to switch its lanes by the stop sign of a gavel. Young kids trying to make it out of poverty with the use of a basketball. But how far will those bullets start to travel through the broken home of the adolescents? Can we please have a moment of silence? Like Nas stated in verse 1 of Just a Moment. I came here to change lives and to make a point. I'm on one like Drake stated in the chorus. Nothing was the same when I started with this poetic justice, but I'm trying to make it to the top of the highest altitude so I can say that I own it. This is a tribute. This is the tribute to those that are now listening to this piece. I'm trying to erase the sublimity of false acts and aspirations from the previous weeks that led you to believe that failure is now a part of you. So you cherish it. And you hold it close everywhere you go like Kanye's Jesus piece until it gets snatched up by success and leave you in the same boat, floating on the same river of sorrow, pain, fear, and regret. This is a tribute. This is a tribute to all of the children that have been misguided in the wrong direction like the signs of life have been reversed. This generation has been corrupted and cursed by the use of technology that produces comments and likes to boost up egos while your physical self remains in the same place as you started. This is a tribute to those that have been departed. May you rest in peace as your memories continue to live on. This is a tribute.